Alright, sitting here working on my ECX Torment. Let's show you guys a few things here. Just real quick. As you can see, I've updated to a brushless system. That's actually a Castle fan sitting over top of a Duratrax element. Basically a Castle clone. Kind of see the shadows. Wonderful. Brushless motor down there. Also updated the servo, LiPo battery, yada yada. 8-scale wheel adapters. But anyway, point of this is, had a lot of play in the rear end here after switching to the MIP CVDs. Figured I blew the bearings. I keep a bunch of them because I go through them so fast with this brushless system. So I went to go change them out. Turns out they were fine. So I played around, and as you can see, I still have a touch of play. Of course, I replaced that with the Traxxas tie rods. And here's the side I didn't do. Look at this. Damn it, I keep sitting in front of the light. Yeah. If you can see in here, if I can get that piece of grass out of there, the play is all right in here. And here. By changing it out and shimming that area, I need a light. I was able to get rid of that play. Still got the other side to do. Now, to show you guys something else here, if I can do this. Here's a front arm, ECX front arm for this Torment and the Ruckus. Watch this. Let's go this way. I can literally bend the hell out of it by just pressing. Plastic is quite soft, as this is what makes ECX great, but it's also why these brushless systems chew up everything in their path, because it just doesn't stay tight. I blow bearings, I blow drive shafts, destroy basically everything. But I can also run 40 miles an hour into a stationary object and bounce right off. And that's about it. Thank you.